Okay, we'll start up with the meaning of the company. Company is an artificial person created by law, having a separate legal entity with a perpetual succession and a common seal. So this is according to your Companies Act of 2013. What does your act tells you about this company? See, they are telling that this company is an artificial person itself. See, it is not a natural person. See, like how we upon our name we can make some assets and we can have some liabilities. In the same manner, even company also on its own name, company can have some assets and it can have some liabilities too, and it can borrow the money from the bank, from the financial institutions, or so many. See, due to this reason, we can call that company is a person first of all. Why we'll call it as artificial? Because like a human being, how we can eat, sleep, drink, talk, breathe, these are all the things which cannot be done by the company. Due to this, the company is called as artificial person and it is created by law. See, if you want to establish a company, it has to be come through the law only. You have to follow the procedure given in your Companies Act, follow all the rules and regulation. According to law only, you have to make this company to come into existence. Having a separate legal entity, separate. See here what happens if you are having a sole proprietorship, you will be the only one person who is going to take care about your business. Whatever profit comes, you will enjoy. Whatever loss comes, you will only suffer from that. See, but here what happens in the company,